We are Orion Pictures, and this is just a little of what we do.
Welcome to
Now that you've got the idea, don't forget to like and subscribe when the video's over.
Welcome to the old Poway Park, and we're gonna ride this crazy train. And maybe some cowboys! Oh, it's really pretty. I like to keep everything like
The Poway Midland Railroad owns and operates 4 distinct trains: a San Francisco cable car, a Los Angeles trolley car, a Baldwin 040 steam locomotive, and the Fremont Speeder. At the Poway Midland Railroad, kids are only $1. Steam trade and cable car rides are $3.50 for adults, but trolley and speeder rides are only $2.50. On this trip, the steam train was out of service, so we're gonna jump on the Fremont Speeder for a full circle trip around the park. And maybe some more.
All I have to say is
It reminds me of the mine ride at Knott's, but not as comfortable.
Because the mine ride at Knott's isn't as small.
Here we go! This 6.5 miles an hour is really fast.
Like 6 miles. And you get a free massage while you're there.
Looks like we went back into the Wild West on this train. By no means is this a regular stop along the route. This armed robbery is brought to you by the Apache Canyon Gang as a part of the Poway Rendezvous.
So how about money? We're here to rob you guys.
Who's gonna give money?
You really That's all I got.
Hey, we could buy you a new brain.
He's not dead yet.
So now I'm looking for a new member of the gang. That man was my fault.
Shoot him again.
Well then, back to business. What do you say we get the money? What is it with these silent cowboy types? No, but they've got them shiny boxes, and I think that might be some money.
You know, doesn't look like there's gonna be enough for us to split between the two of us, though.
Get rid of the last one.
Oh yeah.
Well, you folks is have a good day.
Yeah. Who's gonna take care of her?
Where? What do you guys think of that?
It was cool. He said shoot him.
I heard you. That was pretty funny, man.
The Civil War camp we chugged around belongs to the living history group Shadow River Regulators. We visit their camp in the next episode, learn about old ways to do laundry, get sworn into the army, and talk to a buffalo soldier. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date, and check out some of our other shows like Sally Show Me How to Delicious, Disneyland 3-in-1, and of course Knott's Berry Tales. But it would appear that our time here is coming to an end. I just wanted to say...